Okay, YouTube,
9:59 a.m. in the morning.
it's time to wake up. Life of a truck driver. Today is my off day. I'm so excited. I just get to sit back and relax and do what I want to do. But I gotta still get up, take care of some business around the house, wash some clothes, and try to do some prep for my lunch this week. So here we go. Let's get started. Well, the first thing on my list today, my off day, washing these clothes. I'll be happy when my wife gets here. I wish she could help me. But it's what we all have to go through in a long distance relationship.
I must
Let's
be
get 'em
doing
going.
the housework just because of COVID, so while LDR.
Now while the clothes are washing, I just go upstairs, get my apartment clean, and start prepping my lunch for the week. Let's go. So now it's time I gotta go get ready, strip my bed, clean my sheets, put some different sheets on. This is what I normally do on my off day. That's what I'm gonna spray my bed with. Get some fresh smelling sheets and have at it. You would think a young man would be able to just rest and enjoy his day off, but no, I'm stuck. I gotta work. So I just clean my bed. So I just kind of spray the bed. And then I put my clean sheets on. I love a fresh smelling bed and clean sheets. It's a must. So the rest are just coming together. Gotta make the bed. Enough of that boring stuff. Let's work our way into the, just trying to get it all clean. Now it's time to clean up in my living room. I'll be so excited when my wife gets here. That way we can do this thing called teamwork. Now, just put the finishing touches so it'll smell good. Love it.
Forcing workers to get the vaccine. News Center 7's Giamatti is at the State House to show us today's protest and why people were there.
I even sprayed the hallway. And that's what my off day looks like. Work.
Hello, this morning I was jogging. Just understand my film now, guys, because I'm not okay and I have a hiccup. In the middle of exercising, I had a hiccup. Oh my God. Nag-over. My God. My God. Ilang staff. Hello, good morning. Grabe. Nag-high-capping ako. Ayaw mag-stop. Ano ba yung tawag sa ano? Ano bang gamot sa sinoksin? Ay, tubig. Walang tubig dito. Nag-jogging ako, guys. Jogging. 5 o'clock. So now, 6:49 na. Sinisinok ako. Hanap tayo ng mabila ng tubig or 7-Eleven. Again. Grabe ng sinok. Morning, basta kayo. Kakaya. Sinok day. Sinok day. Sinok morning. Bili tayo tubig. Iinom tayo tubig para mawala yung sinok natin. Sinok natin. Tayo tubig. Para ano wala yung sinok. Sinok, sinok. Sinok. Okay. Ayan na, oy. Dito na tayo, guys. 7-Eleven. Bili tayo ng tubig. Yeah. Katagian. Sisinok. Saan ba yun ito? Bakit ba sinok ng sinok? Saan yung tubig? Tubig sila. Hanap ako ng hanap ng tubig. Dito lang pala yung tubig. Grabe, sinisinok ako, nakakahiya. Tubig.